In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. We'll use the official transfer method that moves your messages and media securely with a cable during your Android setup. Before you start, charge both phones, keep them nearby, and have a Lightning to USB-C cable or a compatible adapter ready. Staying plugged into power is a good idea so neither device sleeps mid-transfer. Power on your new Android phone and begin the initial setup. When you reach the screen that asks if you want to copy apps and data, connect your iPhone to the Android device with the cable. Keep both screens unlocked so the phones can communicate. This wired connection is what enables WhatsApp to securely move your chat history between devices. If you're offered a choice of what to copy, deselect everything except apps, then specifically select WhatsApp Messenger. This focuses the process on what you actually need and helps the transfer run faster, especially if you don't want to move photos, videos, or other apps right now. Your Android phone will display a QR code. On your iPhone, open the camera app and point it at the QR code on the Android screen. You should see a banner that takes you directly into WhatsApp on your iPhone for migration. If you don't see the banner right away, make sure the code is fully in frame and your iPhone is unlocked. Inside WhatsApp on your iPhone, tap Start to prepare your chat history. This gathers your messages, photos, voice notes, and most media and gets them ready to move. Leave both phones connected and don't close WhatsApp during this step. Depending on how much you're transferring, it can take several minutes or longer. Patience here avoids errors and restarts. On the Android phone, download and open WhatsApp if it isn't already installed. When you're prompted to set it up, enter the exact same phone number you used on your iPhone. Using the same number is essential, so WhatsApp can match your account to the data you just prepared. When the app prompts you, tap Start or Import to retrieve your chat history. Keep the app open until it finishes. Once done, your conversations will appear on Android with timestamps intact, and your media will continue populating as the app indexes everything. That's it. After confirming your chats are in place, consider turning on Google Drive backups on Android for future protection. If this guide helped, follow along for more straightforward how-tos.